Hey YouTube, I'm gonna clean up this video game or something here. See if I can't get some scratches out of it. So here we go. I'm taking it in here and use some toothpaste on it. Filthy house. Oh goodness. What do we have there? Put that down there now. Oh goodness. So basically you just kind of go like, let me see if I can't do this. Can you see what I'm up to? We'll put this there and just any toothpaste. I think I want to use this children's toothpaste because I'm not normally going to use that. I use my other toothpaste. Just do this number here. Can we see it good? You just take that. Just kind of do this one and get it in there. Just really get it in there like this. I'm gonna try to sell this on my eBay and see if somebody will buy it. And what's going on when you do this? It's kind of an aggressive. It's not really like a 3000 grit sandpaper or anything. It's just really light, little, just very small aggregates in there doing work. Okay, so let's see how we did here, I guess. Now I'm going to be a little more aggressive. Your skin's kind of an aggressive way to take care of scratches too. Kind of do this number. I wouldn't use a Dremel or anything like that. I've done that before, and what it does is you can get going too fast on it before you know it, and then it'll put like a burn on the plastic. Alright. Looks good. I'm going to use a cotton cloth. I think my shirt's cotton. Use this here and kind of do that. Looks better. I can see that the scratches look much better. But the thing is, when it's wet like this, it's going to look a lot better. It's still not dried off. When it dries off, you can see the scratches again. I think I scratched it with my shirt right there. So maybe you want to use, here's a cotton shirt. I think this is a cotton shirt. But even cotton can kind of put a little cloud on there, but get nice and clean here. And then we'll go back in front of that original white and see what it looks like. You can do this multiple times if you want. I did it with an old Borat. Of course, on Borat, he puts, and it looks like the Borat, the original copy, looks like it's a kind of a DVD that's been rewritten. You can see there's much less scratches. It looks a lot better. So I might do that another time or two, but we'll take it in front of this other light where you can see it in the original light that we did. It's a little brighter in here. So how do we do here? Yeah, you can see more scratches under this light. It's still kind of scratchy, but man, it looks a lot better. So you can do it a time and again.